This is the common lime tree. Things to know about the common lime tree. It's not common in the wild, and it doesn't produce any lime fruits, which are actually produced by trees of the citrus genus. It is, however, a tree. This is what its leaves look like. If you turn over such a leaf during the spring or summer, you will doubtlessly find some aphids. It will not surprise you to know that these are called common lime aphids, Eucalyptus tilia, and they're very recognisable from their stripes. The juveniles look the same as the adults, but smaller and without any wings. Female adults also have no wings, but as you see here, this adult male does. Aphids are extremely important because they are a source of food for basically everything, and they reproduce and grow amazingly quickly, making them a reliable source of food. The other interesting thing you might see in the leaves of the lime tree are these strange tubular projections. These are lime nail galls, and they are abnormal outgrowths, kind of like tumours, caused by chemicals released by a particular species of mites called Aphids tilia. These galls can be yellow, red or pink and serve as homes for the mites while they're busy feeding on the leaf sap. Unfortunately, the mites themselves are about 0.2mm long, so I can't really film them. Also, we have no way of controlling or preventing the galls, but at least they don't appear to affect the health of the trees.